Hello beauties, in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can make your own cucumber face cream. This is a natural face cream that is very effective in treating and preventing skin issues, from treating and preventing acne to clearing dark spots, blemishes, and also fading off sunburns, fine lines and wrinkles. And this is one of the best natural face cream that you can make and use for your skin. So as the name implies, the first ingredient that you'll be needing is the cucumber, and also this cucumber helps to reduce skin inflammation, and also it can treat sunburn, prevent acne, and also fight against free radicals. And it also helps to brighten dull skin, prevent skin aging, and also this cucumber is a good toner for an oily skin. So right here I'm going to give it a quick wash, ensuring that there is no dirt in the cucumber before we proceed into the making of the cucumber face cream. Ensure that your bowls, your hands, everything is entirely clean. So for the purpose of this video, which I am working with measurement, I'll be using half of this cucumber, just in case that you are making it for family or friends. Okay, you can decide to make use of the whole cucumber, but for this purpose I'll be using just half. So I'll be cutting this cucumber into two, then put one aside, and now make use of the one. So after I must have finished washing it, because you are aware that I've already washed it, I will have to grate it. You can decide to blend it, but I don't want to add extra water. That is why I prefer grating it. This is how it looks like, and then I will strain it to extract the cucumber natural water. Sixty ml of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera soothes sunburn. It helps to fade dark spots. It also moisturizes the skin, and it can help to treat acne. It also contains anti-aging properties and will help to fade off the visible signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles and the rest. So I'll be adding 60 ml of this aloe vera gel into this bowl. After that, I will be adding 30 ml of the cucumber water, which is like 2 tablespoons. So I will stir the two ingredients properly until it looks like this, or whichever consistency you prefer. And after that, I will be adding 5 ml of sesame essential oil. Sesame essential oil helps with skin rejuvenation because it contains more beneficial vitamins and minerals. You can also make your own research on all the ingredients that I've been mentioning in this video. So this is tea tree oil. Okay, mine has already finished, but it will still serve the purpose. Tea tree essential oil has many medicinal uses, so it helps with healing wounds and also soothing dry, itchy, and oily skin. I'll be adding 3 ml of this tea tree oil. And after that, I'll be stirring properly, very well, to ensure that all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Let's say you can stir for like 2 minutes, okay? Yeah, just stir like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So you can get the right consistency. And lastly, I'll be adding 3 ml of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant and it helps to moisturize, smoothen, nourish and protect the skin against sun damage, and it also contains anti-aging properties and can boost cell turnover and regeneration. So I'll keep stirring. And the cucumber face cream is ready to be used on the skin. It is recommended to be used at night for better results. After taking your bath every night before bedtime, you have to apply it on your skin, on your face. So it was great and you will like it. It helps to clear dark circles, puffy eyes, dark spots, treats pimples and acne, and fades sunburn and other signs of aging. Once you start using it, you will notice how youthful your face will look and all that. So you have to store it in a refrigerator because it's natural. It doesn't contain any preservative. So I store mine in a cool dry place and also in a refrigerator. So if you like this recipe and if it's helpful to you, be so kind to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you soon. Bye for now.